Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Malaysia and today we're going to be doing passion twists, so stay tuned. So as you can see, I already did pretty much all of my hair. I just wanted to do that and then come back on the last section and show you guys how I did it. And today's video is a collaboration with Saimisu Hair Company. I think that's how you say it, but this is how you spell it. And they reached out to me and asked me if I could review this hair. So this is their passion twists, crochet braids, and 1B. And my hair is a little bit lighter than that, but it doesn't look bad, and I'm really liking the hair so far. It's really shiny and soft, so yeah, I'll link their information down below. Big thanks to them because this is turning out so cute and I love it. I ordered it through Amazon. And it was only like $35. Anyway, let's get into these braids or twists. I don't even know if you can call these braids really, but this is my last section, so I'm just going to take down this braid. So pretty much what I did is I put my leave-in in my hair, and then like a curling cream I had, and then like my shea butter mixture on top so my hair can have moisture and like a little bit of definition as I use wet line. You guys have seen the wet line extreme gel. I'm going to use this in my smaller sections. So just part this off. That's thick enough for me. So I don't want to make them too thick because my hair is going to poof up outside of the braid and it's just going to look like a mess, like really bad. I already had some of them do that, but how I fix it is by retwisting them. But of course you don't want to like have to retwist pretty much every braid in your head, so just be careful about that. And I am using the rubber band method, so that's what I'm grabbing here. Let's get my rubber band, I'm gonna put it on. And then they did also send a crochet hook, even though I already have a lot of these. That's good because they're probably anywhere. I probably lost them for sure. So for the hair, they just come in this loop here. They come with the loop, the crochet loop, and then it just looks like this. And so I separate that like that. And so it's separated, and then I take two of those and put them together. Just because I wanted my passion twist to be a little thicker and like the hair wasn't as thick as I want it to be, or as thick as my hair. So yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick the crochet needle through, put this here on the hook, close it, pull through, take this off, pull both my hair and the crochet hair through the loop, and oh, I forgot a strand, and pull as tight as I can go. And then I take some gel on my hair just so it's like as defined as it can be. I kind of think of this as like a twist out for me, so I would normally put gel on my hair to define it. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to split this in two, and then take two on this side, two with this side, and twist tightly. that's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same thing all over this section and then come back and show you guys at the end what it looks like. And yeah. So this is the finished result, guys, and I love it. It turned out really, really well. The 1B does not look bad in my head like I thought it would. So yeah, I'm really impressed. Again, I want to give a big thanks to Siamisu Hair for sending me this hair. Here I'm just telling you that I used 3 packs in my head, but it came with 6. But that is all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!